सोनाली फोगट केशीत पुलीस तपासणी चालू आसा। तातूंत कितें आसा ते पुलीस तपासणींतल्यान भायर येवनी। ड्रग्स हो गंभीर प्रश्न आसा, मात आमी सगळें हाडून पर्यटनाकडेन जुळोवपाक शकना। आमकां राज्यांत जबाबदार पर्यटक आयिल्ले जाय म्हूण पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Sonali Phogat case and the drug issues increasing in Goa. What do you think? Will it affect the tourism in the state?
See, repeatedly we have to understand one thing. Sonali Phogat, police are investigating. So it's a murder, let the things come out. But my only thing is every time, कोणे खंय कितें येवन गोंयांत केलें, there are serious concerns. Drugs is a serious concern. We are expecting action. We need things to move. But at the same time, सगळे हाडून we cannot connect to tourism. We have to understand that media has to be responsible to ensure that tourism is the backbone of the state. And tourists are पहिली म्हणलं आतांय म्हणटा. We need responsible tourists coming in and acting responsibly. We have all the facilities here to help them to enjoy Goa as far as the tourism state is concerned. Yeah, तुम्ही बरो टाइम घ्या. पूण करता आसतना be responsible. If somebody is misusing it and acting irresponsibly, how everything is getting connected to tourism? म्हाका दिसता खंय ना खंय law and order situation, tourism sector, बाकीचे everything needs to be looked at, and we need to ensure that tourism is moving in the right direction. Let us not put everything and make buzz out of a place where we actually positively need to move tourism ahead.